Good afternoon. A lovely day today. I hope you're having a great day. As I had a question already about Module 3, I thought I would post this video a little bit earlier than I normally would. So those of you working ahead would have an opportunity to see what this particular website can do for you when you're developing your own district profile, and maybe help you understand what you need to do for this particular assignment. It is the assignment 3.3, and what you need to do is take a look at what your district is doing, what's happening, what pieces of ESSA, so Every Student Succeeds Act, which is an accountability act, what it means for your school. So if you do not live in Iowa and the school you're teaching at is not an Iowa school, I would suggest that you search your state's Department of Education website or ask someone who knows information about Every Student Succeeds Act to see if you can find information on your own district. If you're not able to find your own information, choose a school in Iowa just to check out. So maybe if you are not teaching in Iowa but you're attending Northwestern, you want to look at the MOC Floyd Valley School District, because that's the school district where Northwestern College is located. So you will want to click on the Iowa Performance Profiles, and you're going to go down here to this yellow box and search the school you're looking for. So we will search MOC Floyd Valley. If you click on the district, it is going to take you to the district where you can see the demographics of the district, and you'll see different information about different pieces of accountability in the ESSA Act and the plan for Iowa. So that is all there. You will also see information on ESSA support. So when you look at this for MOC Floyd Valley, you'll notice that none of the schools in MOC Floyd Valley need ESSA support. So they have great work going on, exceptional, commendable, commendable, exceptional. You see that in the overall score rating. So just let us know that they are either exceptional or commendable in every building in their district. If you see, when you look at the district, that one of the schools has some kind of support. So I'm going to go backward and pull a different school to see if we can find one that needs some, has some ESSA support that they need, just so we can see what it might look like. So I'm going to pull a different school district. Again, you see their demographics. They're K-8. And then you'll see the accountability information. So if we keep scrolling, we'll get to the schools included. Well, you'll notice under ESSA support, the elementary school is a comprehensive school, and the junior high is a targeted school. So in your district profile, you will let us know that in this district, the elementary school is comprehensive and the targeted school is, or the junior high is targeted. There is not a district designation. Also in your assignment, oh, I'm sorry, wrong tab. It talks about looking at subgroup performance. So in that same website, all of these along here are links where you can go and look at more information. So let's go to English Language Arts Achievement. And if we click on that, took a little while to think, you will see that it gives you a scale score for each grade, 3, 5, 7, and 8. Or the other way to do this, we back up and we go to the school. It's going to give you information. So all students compared to low socioeconomic students. You'll see the state average. You'll see race. Again, the state average. So it gives you all kinds of information. Here's progress for white students. And if we go into the link, you can get even more information. How many kids were tested, where they compare to their different. This is obviously a very homogeneous school because they don't have any other races. And know that the only time it can be reported out publicly is if there are 10 or more students in that particular subgroup. So even if they do have some different races in their school, there are not enough kids to report. Looking at growth, you can also find that in this website. So you can, along the top, all of these have extra things you can look at. So if we go to growth, it will give us information on growth. Going back to the school summary. And of course, you can see, just keep clicking and you'll find more information. It's one of those websites that might pull you into a time vortex because you'll start thinking, I wonder about this and I wonder about this. It has additional information, so you can find out attendance, you can find out if staff stay there, because that has an impact on kiddos' learning. You can look at, where did it go? Sorry. Achievement gaps, which of course that would be your demographics pieces again. So all kinds of things you can look at. On this page, we can look at the Conditions for Learning, which is a survey that Iowa schools give to their students about what's going on at school. It includes mental health information, bullying information. So all kinds of different things you can find on this website. Also, I suggest talking to an administrator of your school, as they will be able to give you lots of information. Just start looking, researching, thinking about what things do you want to know about your district? What things would help you think about the curriculum development cycle, especially thinking about Ainsworth's framework. What would help in thinking through what needs to be there? Have a great night. I hope you find this helpful.